Hey car owners, Brian, your honest mechanic here. Today we're looking into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to get better fuel economy and save some cash at the pump. As a mechanic, I have first-hand experience, and I've done the research and fact-checked everything so you can trust these 7 proven ways to improve your MPG. First up, let's talk about tire pressure. Did you know that properly inflated tires can boost your fuel economy by 0.6% to 3%? It's true. Most vehicles need around 35 psi, but check your door jamb sticker to be sure. Just by keeping your tires pumped up, you could see your MPG jump from 25 to 25.5. Every little bit counts, right? Next, it's time to clean out that trunk. I know, we all have a tendency to use our cars as storage units, but all that extra weight is costing you at the pump. In fact, every 50 kilograms, 110 pounds of unnecessary junk can reduce your fuel economy by up to 2%. So if you're typically getting 30 mpg, ditching that extra weight could bump you up to 30.6 mpg. Not bad for a little spring cleaning. When my daughter was born, I had a ton of baby gear in the car. Once I cleaned it out, I noticed my fuel economy improved noticeably. Now let's talk about your driving habits. Aggressive acceleration and braking can tank your fuel efficiency by up to 30%. Yikes! Instead, try to drive sensibly. Accelerate gently, maintain a steady speed, and use cruise control on the highway when you can. If your car usually gets 35 mpg, driving like a pro could skyrocket that to 42.5 mpg. That's a huge difference. Speaking of speed, did you know that driving faster than 80 kilometers per h, 50 miles per hour, exponentially increases wind resistance? It's true, and that means you're burning a lot more fuel. In fact, driving at 100 kilometers per h, 62 miles per hour, instead of 120 kilometers per h, 75 miles per hour, could improve your fuel economy by a whopping 10%. So next time you're tempted to put the pedal to the metal, remember, slow and steady wins the race and saves you money. I know what you might be thinking, but Brian, what if I'm in a hurry? The best approach is to accelerate smoothly and steadily to your desired speed, then engage cruise control if you're on a highway. This not only helps maintain a constant speed, which is more fuel efficient, but it also reduces the chances of unnecessary acceleration and braking that can waste fuel. Even when you're not on the highway, avoiding rapid acceleration and hard braking can significantly improve your fuel efficiency. Aggressive driving in stop-and-go traffic can lower your gas mileage by up to 40%. By driving more smoothly, you save fuel and reduce wear and tear on your vehicle. Of course, regular maintenance plays a big role in fuel efficiency too. Getting your car serviced on schedule can improve fuel efficiency by up to 40%. That means if your car typically gets 25 mpg, staying on top of maintenance could boost that to 35 mpg, not too shabby. Pay special attention to things like oxygen sensors, which can make a big difference, and don't forget fuel injector cleaner, new spark plugs, and a fresh fuel filter. These small fixes can make a big difference. Another maintenance must-do, using the right oil. Your car's manufacturer recommends a specific oil viscosity grade for optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Using the correct oil could improve your MPG by 2% to 5%. It might not seem like much, but over time it really adds up. Finally, let's talk about trip planning. I know it's not always possible, but combining errands into one trip can make a big difference in your fuel consumption. For example, if you normally make 3 separate trips, combining them into one could reduce your fuel usage by 10% to 20%. That's a significant chunk of change over time. So, there you have it. 7 proven ways to improve your fuel economy and save money at the pump. I hope these tips were helpful and straight to the point. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to Honest Mechanic for more car care advice you can trust.